Before buying from Daily High Club, you'll want to know these 7 key things to make sure it's the right choice for you. Trust me, sticking around until the end of this video will give you the insight you need to make a well-informed decision. First up, Daily High Club stands out because of its unique subscription model. Many competitors in the market, like Hemper and Smokebox, offer similar subscription boxes, but Daily High Club is known for its high-quality, customizable options. You get the chance to choose from a variety of glassware, pipes, bongs, and even some unique accessories that aren't typically found elsewhere. This level of personalization sets them apart, making it a more tailored experience compared to some generic offerings from competitors. Next thing, pricing. It's no secret that many subscription boxes can get pricey, especially when you're not sure about the value you're getting. Daily High Club hits a sweet spot in the pricing department. While some boxes, like those from companies such as Canabox, offer lower monthly rates, they often come with less premium products. Daily High Club, on the other hand, ensures that even their most affordable options bring premium glass, smoking accessories, and useful add-ons that make the subscription feel like a good deal. So you really get what you pay for here. The third thing is the product quality. I've used Daily High Club products myself, and I can tell you the glass pieces they send are often higher quality than what you typically find in a standard head shop. The glass is durable, with some really cool and functional designs. Whether you're into bongs, rigs, or pipes, their curated selections stand up to regular use without breaking easily, which is something I can't say for every other company in the space. The fourth thing you should know is their flexibility. A lot of subscription services lock you into long-term commitments, making it difficult to pause or cancel. Daily High Club gives you more flexibility, allowing you to cancel at any time, no strings attached. Plus, if you ever feel like taking a break, you can easily skip a month without penalty, something not all competitors offer. Moving on to the fifth point, their customer service. This is often overlooked when choosing a subscription service, but Daily High Club has a solid reputation for customer service. If there's ever an issue with your box, like a broken piece or an incorrect item, they're quick to resolve it, and from what I've seen, they genuinely care about keeping customers happy. Next up, the excitement factor. Daily High Club has earned a loyal following because of their ability to surprise and delight their customers with unique themed boxes each month. You'll often see collaborations with well-known artists or brands, making each box feel fresh and exciting. Compared to other services, like the original Weed box, which can sometimes feel repetitive, Daily High Club keeps it exciting, giving you new things to try every time. Finally, the bonus you get with your first order. If you're still on the fence, here's something that might sway you. When you sign up through the link below, you get the best deal they offer, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. This is a great way to dip your toes into the Daily High Club experience without fully committing. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a subscription that brings quality, variety, and value, then Daily High Club is definitely worth considering. The flexibility, amazing product selection, and top-tier customer service make it a strong contender in the market. If you want to give it a try, click the first link in the description to grab the best free trial they offer and enjoy some exclusive perks. Don't miss out on this. Take advantage of the best offer right now.